Good morning, beautiful people of Lagos, and we're live here for day 2 at the Technology Global Demo Open House, where we meet, drink, have fun, and learn and talk about DTG printing. So live here we have Ejima, a double package gift from God. Come meet Ejima, come meet them and find out about their shirts and more stories about them. Also, we have Dada here. Check Dada out. Come meet handsome Dada, the Rastafarian. Just look at him. Look at his guitar as well. It's going to be fun. Don't miss this for anything. And then also we have Alex, the basketballer. Let me see if I can't do this. Uh-oh. He did enter. So if you come, maybe you can just throw the ball and then just enter into the cuts. See you guys. 9 a.m. We're already here. We started already. Yes, you can see guests are already coming in. If you're not here, you're missing out. See ya.